In this video I'll show you how to buy XRP on Coinbase Advanced. Here on the home page, click here where it says search for a market, type XRP, and then followed by your currency. So for me it's XRP Euro, for you it might be XRP USD, XRP GBP, or if you cannot buy directly with your currency, you'll need to deposit your currency and then convert it to USDC or USDT. So for me, I'll click on XRP Euro. Here, click on buy. Now, once you're on this interface, the first thing you need to choose is the order type. There are two main order types, market and limit. Let's start with market because it's the simplest. Market means let's buy XRP at this specific price. So order type market. Now you'll need to choose how much money you want to put in. So again, let's say I want to put in 100 euros. I'll type 100. And it will tell me that I'll get 50.49 XRP. So click on done and click on buy. Now, if you want to buy a specific amount of XRP, click on the currency here, toggle to XRP, and type whatever amount of XRP you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 50 XRP. I'll type 50. It will tell me that I'll have to spend 97.83 euros. Click on done and I'll click on buy. Now the second type of order is limit. So click on here, choose limit. Limit means let's buy XRP at this specific price. So right now the price of XRP is €1.95. Let's say I want to buy XRP when it reaches 1.90 euros. I'll type 1.90. I'll click on done. And then you'll need to choose again the amount of XRP you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 50 XRP. I'll click here, I'll type 50, click on done. It will tell me that if I buy 50 XRP at €1.90, I'll have to spend 95 euros. So click on buy. Or if you want to choose a specific amount of money you want to put in, click on here, XRP, toggle to Euro or whatever your currency is. Let's say I want to buy 100 euros of XRP. I'll type 100 euros. It will tell me that I'll get 52 XRP. I'll click on done and I'll click on buy. Once everything is done, you'll find your XRP here in portfolio and crypto if you've decided that you want to buy with a market order. If you set up a limit order, it will only buy when XRP reaches the price you've set up.